Muriega eroreri itu. Ndamwamukira kihingũro-inĩ gĩkĩ kia YouTube, learning the Kikuyu language with Ruth and Mary. My name is Mary. Ngwihoka nimũkũririkana kĩrĩa tũrathoma hĩndĩ ĩyo ĩngĩ. The phrases which are mostly used in the Kikuyu language, the common phrases. Today we're also going to learn some of the essential Kikuyu verbs, the ones which are used day to day. You have like the verb to be, nie, we, yeah. Then you have kugea, that is to have, kugea. Then you have wuthie. Those are verbs which are really used so often. Wuthie, you hear them almost every day. Wuthie, going here, there, wuthie. And then woka, that is to come, woka. Then wuthodeka is also a verb, can be to make. Wuthodeka furniture, wuthodeka many things. Then kwaria, that is to speak. Kwaria, uthoma, that is reading, to read. You can say mwana nĩarathoma ibuku. The child is reading the book. Kwandĩka, that is to write. Then kuona, that is to see. Then you have kũigua na matũ, kũigua. Then you have to eat, kũrĩa irio. Then you have kunyua, to drink. Nĩndĩranyua cai, kunyua, to drink. Koma, that is to sleep, gũkoma. Kũruta wĩra, to work. Kũruta wĩra. Then gũthaka. Normally the children are the ones you say they are nĩmarathaka. Gũthaka, to play. Gũtwarithia, to drive. Gũtwarithia ngari, for example. Then gũteng'era, that is to run. Gũteng'era. Then gũikara, you can say I live here, or sometimes can also be when you delay. You can say mũndũ nĩaraikara mũno. They are taking too long, delaying. Gũikara, or living in a place. Then kuoya, that is to take. Kuoya kĩndũ, taking something. Then kuhe, that is to give. Then maybe you are looking for something. You say kuona, to find. You have found something. Kuona can also mean to see. Yeah, kuona, I can see with my eyes. Kuona na maitho. Another one, kumenya, that is to know. Kumenya, you can know somebody. Kumenya mũndũ, knowing somebody. And then you have another one, kĩũria. You want to ask somebody kĩũria, question. Gũteithia, to help. Maybe somebody in need, to help. Then you go to the market, you want to kũgũra, that is to buy. Kũgũra, you can also buy or be selling. Kũgũra is to buy. Kwendia is to sell. Kwendia. Then you have kuriha, that is to pay. Then gũikara is to live in some place. Live in Nairobi, gũikara Nairobi. Gũikara. Kwenda is to love. Gũcemania, maybe you are meeting somebody. Meetings, gũcemania. Then maybe you are looking for something. Weather, that is to search. Weather. Then you have gũte is to lose. Then you have gũcinda, like maybe races in an exam. Gũcinda, the winner, winning. Kwambĩrĩria is to start. Maybe like now you have exams, you are starting, you're told kwambĩrĩria is to start. Then weterera is to wait. Weterera. Then kũbatara is to need. Then gukua, to carry, gukua, carrying something, carrying a load. Kugucia, kugucia gari, kugucia, or maybe the car has broken down, then you have to pull it. Kugucia, then you have gutindika. Gutindika is to push away from you. Kugucia is towards you. Then kuhingura, kuhingura is to open. Kuhingura is to open. Then you have kuhinga, to close. Kuhinga is to close. Then you have gwiciria, gwiciria, to think. We come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you have learned some verbs, Kikuyu verbs, and how they're used. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Comment, give us suggestions on how to improve our channel. We'll appreciate. Tibu ina wega, kinya hinde wege.